Hi everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to set up OBS Studio to record your screen. If you don't have it installed, install it for example from this page, https://obsproject.com/download. I'm actually recording this tutorial with OBS itself, so a few menus may look a little different than if you were setting it up from scratch. I'll point that out along the way. At the bottom left is the Scenes panel. OBS already gives you one default scene, and that's enough for a basic screen recording.
In the Sources panel, you normally add a display capture to record your screen. Since I'm already using one to make this tutorial, I'll quickly show you how it's done by adding a second one. Then I'll remove it again. You just click the plus button, choose Display Capture, give it a name, and select the monitor you want.
When you pick the display, you'll also see a setting called Capture Method. So what should you choose? Windows 10 1903 and up is the best choice for Windows 10 and 11. It's stable and reliable. Automatic works fine if you don't want to decide. DXGI desktop duplication is older, and you'd only use it if the newer method gave you problems. OBS captures both your system audio and your microphone. You'll see them moving in the audio mixer. If you don't want one of them, just mute it with the little speaker icon. Normally, you'd go into Settings, Output to set where your recordings are saved, and Video to check resolution and frame rate. But because I'm recording right now, those options are grayed out. On your computer, if OBS isn't recording, you'll be able to change them and press Apply. If you don't want to record your whole screen, you can crop it. Right-click your display source, go to Transform, then Edit Transform. Here you can crop or resize the capture area. Once you close the window, your preview updates. Once everything is set, you just click Start Recording in the Controls panel. When you're done, click Stop Recording, and your video will be saved in the folder you picked. And that's it! In just a couple of minutes, you've seen how to set up OBS Studio for quick screen recording, how to adjust the capture method, and how to crop your screen if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.